Alright, okay. Hey guys, it's me, Dragonfire5276. Well, in this video, we're going to do something special, like I promised from my last video. We're going to do some unboxing, some Skylanders. I'm going to start with this first, but I haven't showed this in my last video, but when I finished my video, I went out and I got something. I got this. Probably not really read it well because the camera's made everything a bit opposite and backwards. But anyways, you can see I got 3 new ones. Well, that one's not really new because I already have the Zulu. But you know they got Whirlwind and Prison Break Series 3. Yeah, Series 3. And I'm going to do an unboxing of this. But first, we are going to start with the starter pack, because anyone would. So let's do the opening. Okay. I don't want to ruin the outlines of the box. Oh, let's see. I'll show you the sides first. That's where I'm opening it. You can see the. Oh, I need a special edition poster right here. I'm gonna be hanging this on my wall to remind how awesome that looks. And there's these as well. It comes with these stickers and all of this. There's the portal, and there's the back. Here's what else at the back. Here's the sides. Got these already. I'm going to be using them in the future video. Not for a while, I don't think, but okay, let's cut to the chase. We'll start opening this. Alright, so I'll start off with here. I don't want to rip it though with the boxing, because it looks quite nice. I've not played Skylanders SWAT Force in a long time. I still remember how to play it though, don't worry. Okay. Carefully unbox it. Don't want to rip any of the packaging. I don't. Well, I'm doing quite well. Oh yes, it's not ripping. I like to be gentle. Because you don't receive boxes like this in stores anymore. There we go. Oh, and if you're wondering, I'm not going to play it on PS3. I have a PlayStation 4 game for this already. It'll still work on PlayStation 4, promise you that, guys, but I'll just go for PS3 because it's hard to find a PlayStation 4 one on this off eBay. Oh, this is really stuck. Oh, shoot, the box. I'm ripping the box a bit. I don't want to rip the box. Jeez, they got this glue on it tight. Oh, well, less. Oh my god, they've really got this. They've really got it stuck in tight. Oh. Oops. Oh. What the hell is in this? What the hell is keeping this stuck? No, I'm gonna try and do the other side carefully. Get these Skylanders out. I'll have to do a part 2 of this unboxing. Or I could do a separate video. No, I think I'd do that. Break up how long it's going to take to open, get this beast of a thing open. So carefully open this. There we go. Now we can... Oops. I'll just sellotape that later. If I'm going to keep the box. Carefully though, carefully get this loose. Jeez, they got this with glue on tight. Oh my god, I'm literally beginning to rip this freaking box suit, sorry. Sorry, don't want to say any cuss words. No cussing. As I was saying though, I want to carefully open. Oh yeah, I wonder why it's all stuck. They put glue on it. Why did they glue it on the box? It's a bit pointless, that. There we go. There we go. Box maybe a bit ripped, but I can always tape it back. If I'm going to keep it. And here's what it looks like here. There's Elf, there's Dark Spyro, there's all the Dark figures, Skylanders. Now, let's start off with opening this. It's a PS3 game. Well, I'm going to put that. I'll put the rest of my PlayStation 3 games I play and use. Okay. Oh, and here's the oh, here's the poster. The special thing of all. I'll show you this, but this is a collector's item. This must be treated with respect, and I will not rip it. This is gonna go on my wall. If you want me to show you on my wall, I'll leave a comment down below and I'll do it. I can see the camera scuffing a bit in my head, unless you guys really care about seeing my face. I suppose when I see the open this. Okay, so let's cut to the chase. There we go. Here's the portal. Not really much difference really, but I will be using this very portal to play the game. Okay, it still looks the same. So I'll put that at the side. Now, okay, let's open the. I'm gonna open the poster first. So I want to look at this thing opened, but I want to be careful though, because I cannot rip this. It's a very rare collector's item. This poster is like a collector's item. I'm very lucky to have one of these. So I want to carefully open this. Oh. Here's what it looks like, all here you can see it from Activision, made from 2013. I'll give you that so you can read it. If you can read backwards, every smile is read backwards, unless it's upside down in the camera. Yeah, I hope you guys can read backwards. I know you can read that backwards. Well, well, easy if you know what that says, but this one might be trickier, but whatever. Let's just open it very gently, because this must be treated with respect, because it's that valuable. It will not be. Oh my god! I don't know what I should stick it to, the back or the front. Because that's amazing. And this is the biggest poster I've ever seen. Oh my god. I don't know if I can get it all on camera, it's that big. It is so huge. But look at that. I bet you can see from the camera, there's Spyro's Adventure to Giants and Swap Force. Look at that. Now I'm going to show you the back. Quickly show you the back. Look at that. Just look at that. This is definitely something you won't normally find off eBay, unless people really want to sell this, if you're lucky. You must be pretty impressed for those of you who have this. really amazing. Alright, I'm going to put this up away. I'm going to put it up here, the poster. This is the biggest poster I've ever seen. Alright, anyways. There, now that's opened. I'm going to open one more thing. This. I'm going to end today's. I'm going to end the video here. Then I'll unbox the other ones in the next video. Alright, seal this up because I'm planning on keeping. Actually, no, I'm not sealing it just yet. Let's open these first. Oops, as always happens. It's not broken, but it is going to be hard to. Okay, better hurry up and wrap this video here. I don't want to do a part 2 of unboxing a starter pack. Okay. There we go here, and there we go there, and here we go. Spiral. Come on, Dark Spiral. Come out. Oh. He's really wedged in tight, Spiral. Whoa! There we go. Look at that. My favourite Skylander. Dark Spiral. Okay. Now it's let's have a play around. That looks pretty cool in the Dark Edition version. I love it. Now let's put them together quickly as I can and then show you it all. Alright, I'm gonna wrap today's video. I'm gonna wrap up this video today, guys. But I'm gonna show you it. You've seen this. There's Elf, there's Spyro, there's I forgot these names. I remember this guy, Dark Slobbertooth, and I think I forgot his name. Well, I'll check it out later. Washbuckler, Dark Spyro. Apart from the guy holding the bombs for the fire engine, I know the rest of the names. Hard to remember Skylander names. I have so many. But anyways, guys, if you enjoy it, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button if you like watching my videos, and I hope you do. And give it a thumbs up. Give it a double if you can. But anyways, well, I know you can only do single. Well, I know you can do one at a time, but just trying to make it better for myself. But anyways, if you enjoy it, guys, leave it. Actually, I need to say it again. We said it. But anyways, see you guys. I'll see you in the next video.